Active Cream EX, a rich, fast-absorbing face cream that restores the skin barrier, and it's a natural strength for visibly improved texture, firmness, and radiance. Active Cream EX. Key ingredients: Byungpool, Centella asiatica, leaf water, highly effective in soothing and providing moisture to dry skin. Easy Calm 6. Botanical complex found in nature helps brighten and soothe skin while aiding in elasticity and antioxidant care. NBP Complex. 4 types of extracts obtained through 7-day ultrasonic aging method aid in moisturization, elasticity, and antioxidant care. Key benefits: a moisturizing care cream containing 58% of Korean-grown pure Byungpool leaf water, which cares for the skin from its deepest layers out while strengthening and moisturizing the skin. Rich, non-greasy cream contains active ingredients that firms and brightens the skin without feeling oily, even when applied multiple times. Skin moisture content and skin texture improvement test completed. EWG all green and allergen-free. How to use: Spray Booster EX on your face. Wait a few minutes to allow absorption. Place droplets of the serum EX on your forehead and cheeks and massage gently into skin. Once the serum has been fully absorbed, spray the booster on your face again. Finish by applying the Active Cream EX all over your face. With repeated use of the dual function booster, serum, and cream, your skin will have a more radiant appearance. Please use products in accordance with your skin.